You know that feeling, that moment when you're just staring down this like a mountain of information?
Yeah.
It could be research papers, maybe a pile of articles, meeting notes, could even be hours of recorded lectures or interviews.
Right.
And you just need to understand it all, like quickly, deeply, and figure out how it all fits together. That feeling of being completely overwhelmed.
It's so common today, isn't it?
Mhm.
I mean, whether you're a student trying to power through a syllabus or a professional grappling with project documents.
Or just trying to learn something new.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Or just someone trying to get their head around a complex topic. That first hurdle, just processing it all, it can feel massive. You know, the old ways, reading, highlighting, they just don't always scale up.
Exactly. And that's really the problem that tools like NotebookLM are designed to help solve. You should think of it as your own personal AI research assistant, built specifically to help you cut through that information overload and actually work with your own material.
Yeah, and that's the key part, isn't it? It's grounded in your world, your sources. It doesn't just spit out general internet knowledge. It helps you analyze and understand the information you feed it.
And for this deep dive, we're taking a really close look at NotebookLM, specifically focusing on one of its most, well, talked about features, the audio overview.
Ah, yes.
The idea sounds simple, but it seems incredibly powerful. Turn your stack of sources, your notes, your docs, whatever you upload, into this dynamic conversational audio summary you can just listen to.
It really is a fascinating shift, potentially, in how we interact with our own knowledge base, you know, moving from static text or just simple summaries to a simulated discussion about your material.
Right. It's pretty cool. And to unpack this, we've dug into a collection of sources, articles introducing NotebookLM, a detailed how-to guide showing the steps, these really vibrant discussions from online communities where users are sharing their like real-world experiences.
The good and the bad.
Yeah, exactly. And even a piece that kind of speculates on the technical wizardry happening behind the scenes. So this deep dive is strictly based on what's in these materials you provided.
So we'll explore the concept, the practical use, user reactions, both the praise and the criticism, and even take a peek under the hood at the potential tech involved.
Our mission, then, to really understand what NotebookLM's audio overview is, how it actually functions based on these sources, who might benefit from it, and maybe, most insightfully, what people who are actually using it are saying about it. Okay, let's unpack this, starting at the basics. What exactly is NotebookLM in the first place?
Well, based on all the sources, it's consistently described as a personalized AI research assistant. Its core purpose, its fundamental goal, is to help users organize, manage, analyze, synthesize, and ultimately really make sense of their information.
Like a thinking partner.
Exactly. It's designed to be a thinking partner that helps you get more out of the documents and data you work with every day.
And the engine powering this, according to the sources, is some pretty serious AI tech from Google. They specifically mention models like Gemini 1.5 Pro and even Gemini 2.0 Flash.
Right, which suggests it's leveraging really advanced capabilities. It can understand different types of information, you know, not just text. Precisely. The power comes from these sophisticated models, but its utility for you, the user, comes from its ability to ground that intelligence in the sources you upload.
Okay.
So you feed it your documents, your links, maybe videos, audio files,
Yeah.
essentially your raw information, and NotebookLM becomes an expert, quote unquote, on that specific body of knowledge.
So it's like an expert that has only read your library. That's a really key difference from, say, a general chatbot.
Spot on. Its responses and insights are derived directly from the material you give it, not just scraped from the vastness of the internet.
Which is crucial.
And critically, the sources really emphasize that it provides citations and links specific points back to the relevant passages in your original documents.
Which is vital, right? For checking things, verifying information, and maybe diving deeper if you need to.
Absolutely essential for trust and further exploration.
Okay,